I'm being put to work today at Vodafone's Easy Peasy Pie Shop. Why? To celebrate that switching to Vodafone's reliable full fibre broadband is as easy as, you guessed it, pie. So go on then, please tell me, Lisa, what is the easiest way to make a pie?
Start with something like a ready roll puff pastry.
I like the fact that you said ready roll.
Yeah,
that's perfect. Okay.
Exactly. So buy your pastry, make sure you've got a nice top and a bottom, and then any leftovers, put them into a pie.
Chinese takeaway, could you put that in a pie?
You could make a Chinese chicken pie.
Could you?
Yeah.
Here's a tough one. Fish and chips in a pie.
No.
Well, I mean, that is loads easier than I thought. With one touch switch, making the switch to Vodafone's broadband has never been easier. All you need to do is get in touch and Vodafone will handle everything for you.